I used to think building wealth was all about luck, but boy, was I wrong. You know what? It's actually about 4 key strategies that the rich use consistently. And today, I'm gonna break them down for you, step by step. So grab your notepads, because this is gonna be good. Alright, let's kick things off with the power of consistent investing. You've probably heard the phrase, time in the market beats timing the market, right? Well, it's true. When you invest consistently, you're harnessing the magic of compound growth. It's like a snowball effect. You start small, but as time goes on, your money grows exponentially. Next up, people who build wealth are masters at living below their means. It's not about being cheap, it's about being strategic with your spending. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar you can invest. It's like you're paying your future self. So before you buy that fancy new gadget, ask yourself, is this bringing me closer to my financial goals? But living below your means isn't just about cutting costs. It's about maximizing value. Maybe instead of eating out 5 times a week, you learn to cook amazing meals at home. Now let's talk about investing in yourself. This is huge, folks. The wealthy understand that their most valuable asset isn't their stock portfolio or their real estate, it's themselves. They're constantly learning, growing, and improving their skills. Why? Because the more valuable you become, the more income you can generate. And speaking of making money, here's another secret of the wealthy. They don't rely on just one income stream, they diversify. If you have multiple sources of income, you're not just making more money, you're also protecting yourself from financial setbacks. It's like having multiple safety nets. So whether it's starting a side hustle, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or creating passive income streams, diversification is key to building long-term wealth. So there you have it, the 4 strategies that can set you on the path to building serious wealth. Remember, this isn't about getting rich quick, it's about playing the long game. It takes patience, discipline, and consistency. But trust me, when you see your wealth start to snowball, you'll be glad you started today. Now go out there and start building your financial empire.